Stay off crack, kids. Off on your numbers. I'm gonna say your numbers.
Yeah, my numbers.
Off on the numbers. Framing.
Too much in this one.
The bathroom is always really the most difficult one because it's small, it's kind of cramped, you know, but yeah, it's nothing that can't be still done. He somehow or another has to get a drain over to the center later, but we do have framing for everything. We always go around toilet somewhere in a situation like this under the wall where there was nothing. You want to put some blocking, framing, figure it out. We're leaving that out because we're not even screwing this down today. We're leaving it all loose because he's coming in here and changing all the plumbing. So these sheets are just going to be laid in here. So stick around. We're going to get it done. It's never easy in a bathroom, let me tell you. Never easy in a bathroom. Tight quarters, everything tight.
Now you can see.
Tight, everything tight.
And it's gonna
Paul is coming out the closet. Come on, Paul. Come on. Paul is in the closet. Oh my God, Paul is in the closet. Sure. Blocking, most important. Blocking all around, most important. Doorways blocked out, solid. We blocked out the closet all the way across. He's got a vent going there, blocked all the walls. T&G, so you don't have to block the seams. And this is that's where we are so far, guys. I'll see you guys on Thursday. We're taking tomorrow off. I got a few other things I'd like to get done, like fix my trailer. Maybe even a little bit of scrap metal. I do have another channel, Scrapping with Grandpa. And I am Grandpa. And I collect scrap metal and recycle it. So go check out my other channel there.